Thank you.
Hello, karibuni sana.
Yeah. Oh, we're so excited about our visit, and this is our first time, and we're trusting God for great and mighty things in the meeting. So when God called us into the youth ministry, we needed to ask Him the best possible means we can reach out to the young generation. And the Holy Spirit told us that we can use media. It was a process, but we thank God for how far He's brought us. So I think that basically inspired it. We needed to reach out to a generation.
That's really very powerful. Did you expect to see these videos go this viral, man, across Africa and beyond Africa?
Yeah, so God said it was going to be great. The way He told Abraham that I'll make your name great. I know Abraham would not in his widest imagination know that he's going to be touching the nations of the world. So God told us we're going to be great, but we never expected what He's doing. Seeing our videos in different tribes, dialects, blessing lives is really, really amazing. And we thank God for His glory.
That's beautiful. You are here for my
vision, my life.
My life. What are your expectations so far?
Oh, it's going to be very powerful. Minds will be renewed. Minds will be renewed, and of course, people will begin to walk in their foresight, where God has showed them, where God has positioned them. Yeah, that's what happened.
If you had at least a minute, possibly to speak to the young generations, what can you say about the contribution of your videos into the making up of their vision when it comes to relationships that is God-fearing?
I would say believe in God. Believe in God and believe in yourself. The reason for it is when you believe in God, it show you where to go, and when you believe in Him, you will move according to His instruction. Believe in yourself, because it's one thing for you to believe in God. If you don't believe in yourself, people can criticize where God is sending you to, and if you fall for it, you miss out on the picture God is showing you.
So add to that, I say, if God has given you a vision, sit on it, be consistent, and don't be discouraged.
Karibu sana.
The Winlos, ladies and gentlemen, in Tanzania.
Only you can do, undo, redo, do. Only you can do, what no man can do, Only you can do, what no man can do, Only you can do, undo, redo, do. Only you can do.
Kama ulivyoshuhudia, tumepokea the amazing couple across Africa, the Winlos, ambao wamewasili tayari kabisa hapa jijini Dar es Salaam kwa eventi kubwa ya kimataifa ambayo itafanyika RGCM Jumamosi hii ya tarehe 14 mwezi wa 3 mwaka 2026 pale RGCM Global Center jijini Dar es Salaam, kwa ajili ya vijana wote, kwa ajili yako wewe unayenitazama, ambapo utakuja kukutana na Mungu uso kwa uso ili uweze sasa kujifunza vizuri na ukatembea katika vision yako ya maisha. Na experience nzuri sana kutoka kwa the great couple from Nigeria, the Winlos, kama ambavyo mwashuhudia hapa. Karibu sana pale RGCM kwa mtumishi wa Mungu Ev Daniely Joshuan. Karibu sana.